We are at the cargo area in the Khartoum airport because it looks like we are shipping our bike to Nairobi.
So we got to fork out the money and just get our bike to Kenya and carry on the trip.
Now we've got to pack this beast up into a tiny, tiny parcel.
Yeah, our goal today is to make this bike as small as possible so that we pay as little as possible to put it on a plane.
Let's see what we can do.
We've got a challenge. Right, let's get on with it. We've come to a place just near the airport to try and get a pallet made for the bike. It's all a bit crazy, lots of people like talking over each other, and we're trying to communicate with them that we need the smallest size possible. We're getting there, and they've just found this like one piece of wood, 2 meters long. It should be perfect, we just need to build a base under it. Alright, we're going to take all of our little bags off here.
These bags, this bag, this bag, this bag will go flat, hopefully.
The windshield is obviously one of the highest parts of the bike, and that's super easy to take off, so that's definitely coming off. The windshield on these bikes is just held on with 2 screws, very easy to remove.
Hit me on the head. Did it. Window shield, number 1. Definitely put back all of the bolts where they come from so we don't lose them.
Alright, next job is the wing mirrors. They're also very high and very wide, so they're coming off. Whee! Screw it off. And then go and find the washer that falls on the floor.
Ah, off already.
I think we take them both off because we can't fix them on, and we'll tape them to the back of the mirror.
More, please.
A bit more tape. Alright, now we've got the windshield off and the mirrors off. The highest bit by far is the sat-nav mount. So we're going to remove the bar and just drop the whole thing down into this space. So we think there's just two bolts on here, but it's not easy to get to. There we go. So it's loose and it should come off now.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, there goes one bolt. It should be loose now. Ew. So I think we're just going to rest it there so it's flush with everything.
This is good. This is the thing that was super duper high.
Yeah, that's another like 10 centimeters. Saving money, saving money. All right, one of the last things is to get the front wheel off. But as soon as we take the wheel off, the whole bike needs to be lowered onto the pallet, which is why I've got all of these guys to help now. So, yeah, if you keep the weight on the back, I will take the wheel off, and after that we all lower it down.
Slowly.
I forgot you have to take the brakes off. Okay. Alright, ready? Yeah, good. It looks so small. So small. Thanks for your help. The widest point now is the bars. Take them off so we can turn them or position them in a way that they're not the biggest part anymore.
It's tightening.
Lefty loosey.
Yeah, but lefty loose is not tightening it.
Hey. Hey. Bars off.
Put them back.
So now the back end is really high. We decided we will do the back wheel because it's going to save quite a lot of space. Okay. Okay, ready? Lift. Yes. Finish.
No wheel. No wheel. My hip height. It's so small.
Beast has lost his legs. That's looking damn good. Right, the bike's pretty much done. Yeah, now that we've removed everything, we've got to secure it all. Like this needs to be strapped to the seat. Loosely securing this thing. The bars we secure.
We've taped the wing mirrors.
And
take this.
And pack some bags under here. Alright, to make the bikes a bit safer to travel, you have to disconnect the battery as part of the dangerous goods procedure. There we go. Battery disconnected. Alright, you also have to tape up the terminals so that they can't accidentally touch the battery.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Perfect.
Alright, next step is to lash the bike to the pallet. We don't have any proper ratchet straps, so we're making do with tying it down with rope.
Scary.
It's not ideal. I mean, it's not going to fall over, but it's fairly secure.
Fuck him.
Hello.
Fuck him, bus.
Ooh,
Fuck him.
fuck him. That sounds bad. Fuck who?
Fuck you. Because of the big change in pressure on the plane, we're going to let some air out the wheels. You can easily pump these up again in Nairobi, Okay, now we want to put a strap through here. Yeah, we're just lashing the tyres, the wheels, but once we've got the walls on, everything will be held together much more securely anyway. This is almost it, this is the last bits really. That's good. Very nice. This is everything. The final dimensions are roughly 220 centimeters long, 90 centimeters wide, and 100 centimeters tall. So the total volumetric weight is around 328 kilograms, which to ship this bike from Khartoum to Nairobi will cost us around $2,700. Finished!
Fish, bash, posh.
Right, we need to do a
Finish!
picture now. Everyone say, "Way, we did it!" Tamam.
That is good film.
Shukran.
It's all been wrapped up, taped up, and there will be some walls on it later. But we don't have to do that.
Job done. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Thank you for your help. We are back at the Sudan Airways cargo warehouse to finalise our documentation, get our carnet stamped, and hopefully we will now see the bike in its final packed state. Yeah. Right, we come back the next morning. The guys here finished this up overnight. They basically just put 4 walls and a bit of a roof on to make this solid wooden frame, and it's actually pretty solid, to be honest. So we've not gone for the full covered crate because of money. This is much cheaper. We paid just $70 for all of this work. And the last thing they're going to do before it gets shipped is again wrap the whole thing in plastic so that it's covered and protected. That's finished. Ready to ship. Well, that was absolutely terrifying to watch. Wobbling around all over the place. But we're on. Okay. It's our last day here in Khartoum. We fly to Kenya at 5 p.m. and we still haven't paid for our air freight for the bike.
Because we still have no money.
We've been trying for days to try and get hold of some dollars, but it's been the weekend or people have said no, it's not possible.
Or there's been protests.
Yeah, but we are finally in United Capital Bank where we've been told we can use our Visa cards to get dollars. Fingers crossed we can get some money because we've only got a few hours left.
Please. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Bad luck so far.
Yeah.
Just say no. We can't take our card.
We're really like clutching at last straws here. Right, we're going to Western Union now. Again. After 4 days of trying to get this money, we might have finally done it. So even after trying again all morning to send money to ourselves via Western Union, someone eventually told us on the phone that it's not possible because we have to be in the country where our bank or card is registered to. So Lucy's sister, Sophie, has very, very kindly made an account and sent us the money, and we're just trying to receive it. So we might have done it. It's midday. We need to go to the airport at 2:30, and we still need to head to the office of the cargo company and make the payment. So it's a little stressful.
But this is only 2,000 out of 3,000 because there's a limit on payments.
We've got to do another one if this works. Money, please. Counting your money. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, we got some money. I think we can finally pay for our air freight. And we can leave here with peace in our hearts. Doesn't feel real. Great.
You want to come in?
We've got to get to the cargo office. Quick shot. Let's go.
Sorry, the cargo agent. Ready to finally pay. 2,700. How much is it?
2,950.
2,900 once.
That's right. Kiss goodbye. It's now for you, sir. Please get our bike to Kenya in one piece. Peace. Shukran. That's the money paid. It's done. Deal is finished. The bike will ship tomorrow, and we've now got 2 hours until our flight departs to Kenya. Luckily, we're already at the airport, so let's go check in.
We made it, guys. We made it. We're about to get on a plane. Where are we going, Matt?
Ethiopia, and then Kenya. That's it.
We did it. We made it.
That's the end of our time here in Sudan, and we've loved it. We've been here for more than 2 weeks now. It's become like a little second home over the time we've been here. And despite all the problems that we've had with, finding out about the issue with Ethiopia, trying to overcome that and understand it, trying to figure out how and if we could even continue the trip, finally deciding to ship the bike and then going through the whole process of that. Despite all that, we've loved our time here because of the people.
Yeah, because of the people. And we have had a super busy time, but we are ready to continue our adventures.
We are so ready. So a big thanks to all our new friends in Sudan. We love you, we want to thank you, and we hope to see you again sometime.
Yeah, shukran everyone.
Shukran. But for now, it's on to our next adventure in Kenya.
Let's do it.